This is not an easy decision, but there are a few really important things to consider between buying a brand new home versus an older home, or what we often call a resale home. Now, new homes can be more energy efficient, have all the new features, and you should not have to worry about repairs for several years. Plus, most come with a warranty from the builder. But here's the stuff people do not think about. If you have the opportunity to add upgrades, this can make the final price significantly higher than what you expected. I know that when we bought our first home, it was a new build and it felt like everything was an upgrade. Now, after you buy the home, you typically have to pay for window coverings, rear yard landscaping, and things like, say, patio work. This can be a pretty big expense, so be sure to budget for this. Also, you'll need to consider what is being built around the new home community and how this will affect your quality of living. At the end of the day, buying a new home could be a great move, but you have to consider all of this. See my caption for more pros and cons, or DM me to talk more about this.